building my brand new $2,000 gaming and streaming PC. And I asked you guys what color I should go for, and every comment said white. So here are the parts. First is the case, which I went with the NZXT H6 Flow RGB. Then for the CPU, I went with the Ryzen 7 7700X with the NZXT Kraken 360mm CPU cooler. I went with the Gigabyte Aero 4070 Super, and when the 50 series come out, I'll probably upgrade. Then 32GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM. Then a 2TB Samsung 990 Pro M.2. Lastly, this is all going on a Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite Ice motherboard for a grand total of $2,006.21. Now, Black Friday deals are already rolling out, so a couple of the parts are already ordered and on the way. So make sure you guys follow to see the process and the final build.